Cashin, Instant Repair Serum. It's a clinically proven treatment serum that significantly repairs damage and it reduces breakage. Cashin is for clients with damaged or color processed hair. This is for the client that wants to grow their hair, but they're constantly dealing with split ends. Its concentrated, lightweight formula features biomimetic bond-building technology to instantly moisturize, mend split ends, provide softness and shine, and protect from heat damage. It provides 450-degree heat protection and is clinically proven to repair damage with 88% split end sealing and 11 times softer strands. This can be used on wet hair after using Payday shampoo and conditioner. Apply it generously to your hair. Cashin's versatile formula can be used alone, underneath, or mixed in with your favorite IGK cream styler for tailored results. Cash in on these benefits by using it on wet and dry hair.